What are we cooking today?
We're making this tamarind duck. Supposedly, you deep fry the duck, but I want to make it a healthier way. I'm going to roast the duck. Let's turn on the oven, 450, preheat. I already marinate. I like to marinate it for 24 hours. I clean it, salt and stuff like I usually clean bird. And then I put ginger juice, little salt, and then a little bit white wine. Marinate for 24 hours. I put like a little bit of dark soy, a little bit of liquid amino. I'm going to cut the black bone out. Usually I do it before I marinate, but I want to show you how to cut it. And Colvin said, I don't care. just serve it. The duck might be a little bit harder to cut.
Does it taste different from chicken, Joy?
Yes, it's richer. I'll take it down here, yeast. Then I cut the middle, and then but I want to split it, like we usually roast chicken.
What? Right? It looks rough to cut.
It's not bad. This is a nice scissors. Well, you don't need to cut it, but I think cutting it, you will cook more even. Okay, I'm going to flip it, and then I'm going to press the middle, then I can flatten it. I will flatten it, you can to hide it in the back. Then it roasted more evenly and a nicer presentation. Okay, I cut the tail off and throw it away. My grandmother flipping in her grave because that's her favorite part. But usually gamier. I'm going to put the juice in it. I should cover it. Then we'll seal the juice. Roast for 45 minutes. And then we're going to open it and then roast it the rest of the time and then turn it into a boiler. Okay, I'm going to bake a couple potatoes. Just cook it a couple times.
Is that Yukon Gold?
Yeah. Ooh. And then I'm going to throw it in because it's the same energy anyway, right?
Is this Chinese cooking or French cooking?
Me? Do you think I'm Chinese or French? This is sort of like Southeast Asian, more like Thai. I went to Thailand. They have fresh tamarind, but this is not fresh.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the tamarind.
Yeah, that's the tamarind part. Okay, I'm going to put it in here for 45 minutes. 450, and then I'm going to throw on the bottom. Sometimes I put some garlic in it to roast some garlic. This is the tamarind. I like this tamarind sauce, and then you can just put it out. You should taste it because it depends on the brand. Sometimes they are tangy. You know what? Just use everything. Colvin
That's right, Joy. Should you put a little water in the thing so you can get everything?
A little bit of water.
Oh, I was kidding.
Huh? No, but you know, why waste it? Then I'm going to make a thickening sauce. And also that I'm putting fruit cocktail in it. I'm draining it.
Oh, we don't want the sauce?
Well, we're going to cook the sauce with this. I don't want to cook the fruit cocktail for long. They become mushy. That's why I separate half a teaspoon and sugar. I'm not putting any liquid amino or dark soy in here right now because this is a lot of color already. I want to add it later. And then if you need a little color, then I'll put a little dark soy in it. I might have to put a whole lot more sugar because the tamarind sauce can be tangy. Let's check it. When you open this, be careful because there's a steam in it. Open a little bit, let the steam out.
Oh.
I'm going to open it and roast it this way. Wow, there's a lot of juice, Colvin.
Oh, good.
It's all over the sauce.
Is that sweat from the duck, Joyce?
No, that's not the sweat. I'm going to put it back in. I'm going to turn to 350. And I'm going to put it back in to 350 and do it for 30 minutes. And then we'll see. But it smells really good already. Too bad that people cannot smell it. That's some ginger triangle. just for fun. Add a little bit more texture, add a little bit more taste to it. Colvin's like, I'm all for it. More taste for the sauce. It's not triangle anymore. Okay, but you got the idea, right? Now I'm gonna make the sauce and then we can have dinner. Okay, let's check the Dougie. Whoa.
It looks crispy.
No, it's not crispy.
Looks like there's more sauce.
I think you need more because you see that it's not done. Just need longer. Let's do a good 15 minutes. That smells good though, right? Wow. Please set a timer for 15 minutes.
Your timer is set for 15 minutes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, let's make the sauce. Just a little oil to make sure that nice and shiny. Like 1 tablespoon. Let it heat up the wall. Colvin can just eat the sauce. I'm gonna cook some ginger. The ginger, cook it to like translucent.
Is it hot already?
Nah. Okay. Give it a chance. Give it a chance to cook it and then come back. This is the juice from draining the fruit cocktail, but I'm gonna slowly put it on the side.
It's gonna splash.
Yes, it might. Huh?
It's gonna be a good sauce.
Well, which sauce is not a good sauce for you?
It's true.
That's why I didn't want to add any water to it, because I want to go, rinse the bowl, put it in, to taste it, to see how tangy. Because I didn't put a lot of sugar in it. Sugar can always add. Yeah, thickening sauce. I have a little sugar in here, but that. This sauce is very easy. When you boil back, pretty much it. I'm not putting the fruit cocktail in early because I don't want to cook the fruit cocktail.
You put that last.
Mm-hmm. Not bad. I put the whole can in because Colvin's here. Because people usually use it for decoration. I turn it off, and that's the sauce. I'm gonna put some dark soy in it because they look a little light.
Just for coloring.
Mm-hmm. I'll let you taste it, but it's too hot right now. I don't want to burn your tongue. Then the food tastes so good. Well, it should be done now. No, it still have blood, see? It's not clear. Yeah, it's still bloody. Let's put a little sauce on top of it. But bloody, man. Okay, let's do another 15. We are hungry.
I know.
Because especially smelling it. You know what I mean? I'm gonna double check before I put it in the boiler. I think it's done. I hope it's done. Because we're hungry. Let's put it back and then burn the bird. Crispy it up. Because that will be perfect with the sauce when it's crispy up. Okay, I'm going to turn it into a boiler.
You have to watch it.
Yes, definitely watch it. Don't get too close because the oil may spot. Let's cover it.
The best part, right, Joyce? Waiting for it.
No, eating is the best part.
I guess the second's the best part.
Well, because this is anticipation is almost done.
So the skin will be crispy.
Well, I hope, because you can tell that it's burning it up. See?
Yeah.
Whoa. I think we should turn it off.
Oh, and the potatoes, right, Joyce?
Potato should be done long time ago. You want to have the potato?
Sure.
Really? I don't know whether I have to open. Wow. That's the bird. a leg. The other which way?
The other leg.
The other leg? No, I think this one will be easier because you can see the bone. Oh well, doesn't want to come off.
There we go.
Okay, but this is not pretty. We can get a brush to cover it. Okay. Let's get a ladle.
Good idea, Joyce.
Picture time.